Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. Just got done storming, pretty good too. Got a lot of rain in a short amount of time. Did put up a rain gauge, so let's go check that out. Put it out here on the chicken coop. So it said we were supposed to get like 2 inches, but it was only raining for about an hour and a half. So let's see what it reads. So yeah, that's right at 2 inches. So that's a lot. So that come down hard. I mean, we were hard. You couldn't even see. Our creek over there, it was up, it crested. It always usually does. So, and now everything's a sloppy mess. But the ground it needed some water for sure. Absolutely. This is what we get when we start getting into fall. We start getting a lot of rain. The ground, it's good for the ground too, you know, going into the winter. So any of the hay fields or anything like that can get like a head start. Get a good growth on them, especially if you planted a new hay field or something like that. You can get a good start before winter. So the garden, if we do get a little dry spell, I am going to get the tiller out, till it up, and maybe go get some garlic bulbs, put those in, and see how those fare over the winter. I usually do them over the summer, but everybody's saying just do them over the winter, it's easier. The only thing is I got to keep them away from those guys, because every time anything sprouts up, it draws their attention and they want to pick it out. So I'll put them in, and as soon as they start sprouting up, I'll go ahead and put a fence around them or something like that. We don't use that much, so I'll plant maybe 20 or 30 bulbs and see what we get out of it. But I mean, everything is like super green. See if you guys can see that, how green that is out there. I mean, after a rain like that, everything just turns super green. Chickens are loving all the little peppers and tomatoes that are left behind when I brush hog the garden. And then this corn is getting there. I don't know if it will turn before Halloween or not. I think it will. Once we get it's only supposed to be a high of 58 tomorrow. So that will so high of 58 and low of 40. A couple days like that, that'll really put everything to bed, you know, make everything go dormant for the winter. I just want to give a little update and you know, show you some things that happened, and you know, with the rain, how much rain come down and stuff like that. But for now, hopefully we can get some projects rolling here. I know you guys, I've been telling you guys that we're going to be doing some projects, but it's just everything is super busy with the kids being in soccer and all that other good stuff. It's just hard to get anything done around here. There's some things that have to be done. I don't have a choice. I got to get them done before winter. And you know, it's like get all the hay equipment put away and evaluate what I need to fix, or maybe start looking for some new things if I can't get them fixed and stuff like that. Go camping one more time, and after that the camper goes back in the lean-to, so I got to move all these round bales. And that hay will it'll get used, it'll get put away, one or the other. But yeah, all this stuff's got to go. So I got about 2 weeks, 3 weeks till that's all got to be done, because I don't want to be trying to fight the snow or freezing temperatures and trying to be doing these things. I just don't want to do it. So, but until then, I'll catch you guys later.